Hey guys, Shukesh here. Today in this video, let's check the battery performance of the all-new OnePlus 70 Pro, which I have in the middle, and the device on my right is the outgoing OnePlus model OnePlus 7 Pro. Now there is not much improvement in this new generation OnePlus. I mean, you get Snapdragon 855 Plus and the phone comes with Android 10.0 out of the box with OxygenOS 10.0.1, whereas OnePlus 7 Pro is still at Android 9 with OxygenOS 9.5.11. Of course, Android 10 update is on the way, and most importantly, the battery is just 2.1% bigger, 4085 mAh compared to 4000 on the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now I have started the stopwatch, and the first thing I will measure is the screen on time. That is, I will keep the displays on for about 1.5 hours and check the battery drain. There are a couple of battery features that are enabled by default, like adaptive battery deep optimization, sleep standby optimization, and I'm not gonna mess with the default settings to create a real life scenario. Now on the new OnePlus 70 Pro you get something called Intelligent Control, which automatically adjusts the background power strategy according to app characteristics and your usage. So let's see if this new thing can really improve the battery performance of the new OnePlus flagship. I want to let you know that both these devices here are 8GB RAM variant with 256GB of ROM, and the screen refresh rate is at 90Hz and the resolution is at auto switch, which is the default. The screen brightness has been set to medium for proper viewing indoor. Wi-Fi location are on, and I have one Jio SIM card installed into both smartphones here to create the real life scenario. So let's wait for 1.5 hours and check the battery drain. Hey guys, I am back. So let's start with the older OnePlus 7 Pro, which is down to 91%, so 9% battery is lost in 1.5 hours. So at this rate, the screen on time comes to 16 hours and 40 minutes. The new 70 Pro lost 8%, 1% less than the 7 Pro, so the screen on time is 18 hours and 45 minutes. So not much difference, of course. The next thing I will do is I will make a call from one device to another one and measure the battery discharge during calls. Let's cover up the proximity sensors to turn off the displays. Guys, it's already 1 hour on the stopwatch, so let's quickly check the battery drain during calls. The OnePlus 7 Pro is down from 91% to 85%, 6% is lost in 1 hour, so the talk time comes to impressive 16 hours and 40 minutes. The latest OnePlus 70 Pro also lost 6% battery, so the talk time is the same, so you can talk for hours. Next, let's play some YouTube videos for 2 hours and check the battery discharge. For video playback, I will play the videos in full screen, so see you in 2 hours. Friends, I am back after 2 hours of continuous video playback. OnePlus 7 Pro was at 85%, now 68%. So with a full charge, you can watch YouTube videos for 11 hours and 46 minutes continuously. On the other hand, 70 Pro is down to 70% from 86. Now it's at 69. About 12 hours and 30 minutes of YouTube video playback is possible with a full charge. So both 7 Pro and 70 Pro are almost neck and neck in this battery drain speed test, so there is no improvement I can see. Let's wait till the end and see what happens. The next test is the most time consuming. What I will do is I will turn off the displays and measure the battery drain on standby mode. I will do this for about 12 hours, so stay tuned. Friends, I'm back after 12 hours, so let's check the battery drain. Well, OnePlus 7 Pro is now at 62%, so 6% is lost, so the standby time comes to 8 days and 8 hours. On the other hand, OnePlus 70 Pro lost 9% battery, so the standby time is 5 days and 13 hours. So it's considerably lower than its predecessor. Next, I'm gonna check the battery drainage due to video recording. I will record 20 minutes of 4K 60 FPS videos. Since the limit is 5 minutes for 4K, then I will record 4 videos, 5 minutes each. Stay tuned. Friends, I have been recording 4K videos for 20 minutes and the phones are not overheated that much. The maximum temperature is like 42 degrees Celsius, which is quite normal. Let's start with OnePlus 7 Pro, which is down to 52%, 10% is lost, 3 hours and 20 minutes of 4K 60 FPS videos can be recorded with a full charge, whereas OnePlus 7T Pro lost 9% battery, so 3 hours and 42 minutes is the battery rating for video recording. Next, it's time for hardcore gaming. I will play PUBG Mobile and will try to play this game for at least 2 hours to get a better idea about the battery performance, so don't go anywhere. Hey friends, I am back after 2 hours of PUBG Mobile gameplay and there is no overheating or no heating at all. It's under limit. Let's now quickly check the battery levels. OnePlus 7 Pro is down to 24%, 28% battery is lost in 2 hours, so you can play PUBG Mobile for 7 hours and 9 minutes with a full charge, which is not bad at all. On the other hand, the 7T Pro is at 26%, so 26% battery is drained, so about 7 hours and 42 minutes of gameplay is possible, which is slightly higher than its predecessor, so that's good. Let's now play another game. It's Pokemon Go this time. I will come back shortly. Hello guys, I have been playing this game for 1.5 hours and the battery level on the OnePlus 7 Pro is now down to 1%, so it's about to die, and with a full charge you can play Pokemon Go for 6 hours and 31 minutes on this smartphone, which is again quite good. Overall, the battery performance of OnePlus smartphones are really impressive. Now OnePlus 7T Pro is at 3% battery level, so again 23% battery is lost. Now it's worth noticing that the battery is just 2% higher than the OnePlus 7 Pro and the battery size is also 2% bigger, so it's consistent. There is no much improvement on the battery performance. The way the phone handles the battery usage, it's same as before. On normal to heavy usage, you will get about 1.5 to 2 days of battery backup on both OnePlus 7 Pro and OnePlus 7T Pro. The screen usage since full charge is shown 7 hours and 38 minutes on this smartphone. If you're already a OnePlus 7 Pro user, then there is no meaning of upgrading to the 7T Pro. The screen time is 7 hours and 42 minutes on this smartphone. So there you go, that's all I have for you in this video. I hope that it was useful. Stay tuned for the battery charging speed test as well. Guys, after 3 more minutes, the OnePlus 7 Pro died and the battery level on the 7T Pro is 3%, so it's about 3% better than its predecessor. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. See you on my next videos.